Hi guys, today I'm unboxing this Homeika cordless vacuum cleaner. So first of all, the packaging looks very sturdy, looks like everything arrived safely. So as we open it up, we see we've got directions right here on top. That's very nice. And then as we open up the box more, we do have a little manual and everything appears to be packed really nicely here inside. Each piece is also individually wrapped with the plastic wrap. So right now I'm just pulling every piece out and getting the plastic wrap off. There are quite a few pieces here, just need to get everything out of the box and unwrap. This right here is the main unit that has the powerful brushless motor, and it looks like this piece right here is the battery. I like how it arrived in a nice safe packaging. So now let me finish getting the rest of these opened up and we'll see what we have here. So looks like we have all the attachments, the main pieces of the vacuum, the battery. Let me go ahead and get it opened up. And then of course we have our manuals. So this is what everything looks like. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start putting it together. This is the part that holds the extra accessories. I'll go ahead and put that to the side. This just clicks right on just like that. That was very easy. And now I'm going to attach it to the head of the vacuum. That was very super easy. Just clicks in just like that. Now I'm going to work on attaching the battery. So it just slides on right here. Just slides right on the handle and clicks into place. And there we go. Oh, and we do have our charger. Let me go ahead and get it untied and get it plugged in so we can get this charging. It looks like the charging port is on the other side here. So I'm getting it turned around. It just plugs in right there. And then you can just plug it into your wall. And there we go. Now, if we look at the surface here, you can see it is charging. It has those blue lights going across. Also, we do have these pieces right here so that you can install it to where it hangs on your wall. Overall, this looks like a great vacuum and I'm excited to start using it.